Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make aesthetic videos on VN. So here I've already opened the VN apps, and if you guys want to create an easy aesthetic videos, you can just use the template from the VN. So you can just click on the template, and here click on the video tabs to see the video templates in VN. So you can just browse over to find the templates that you like. For example, I want to use these templates. So to use the templates, you need to download it first. Just click on download and wait for the processing download to finish. And when the download is finished, you can just click on use template to use the template. Okay, so you can just choose any video that you want to add into your templates right here to make an aesthetic videos. For example, okay, I'm just going to choose any video and then click on next. Okay, so when it is done, you can just click on this arrow right here and click on export to export the aesthetic videos of the VN templates. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.